Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to pin unpin text messages on Android. So you will just open the text message on the Android device and you will see there are the messages. So you will just hold the random message anyone. So this is the message of Jazz 4G. So I will just go back and hold it, the number one message. So there is pin to tip. So now it is pinned my message, so now I will unpin. So I will just again same step, hold it and unpin. So this is how to pin message and unpin in just one click on Android. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.